Hi, short spell today on the pitch. Obviously, you took a big hit. How are you feeling?
Pretty groggy. Yeah. Just a bit all over the place at the minute. Flat lip, but happy nonetheless.
And how have you found? Obviously, you're only recently joined the club. Your impressions of Saracen so far?
Yeah, brilliant. As soon as the step club on Wednesday,
Okay, good pressure spot about Saracen.
always been
Strong, but you must see the ball. And he's
straight
going
in,
for a
Facebook
monster
page,
run.
all the chats
Quick one,
flying, camaraderie,
so
straight in
Sunny
today,
ball pass. You've got a chip down.
taking the two of us out, so it's been really good.
Cheering.
And obviously, what are your hopes for the rest of the West Asian Championship?
Get my head sorted, get back in this team. A good squad, a good lot of boys, so I want to help out and hopefully try and help us retain that title.
Great stuff, mate. Thanks for taking your time to speak with us. Excellent. Cheers.